of course, sasamahan siya ni Chef Boy Logro.
Then we have Borang Ang.
So ano, sasama ka sa Brazil?
Oo, hindi
Ang
niya ako
birthday niya.
tingin.
And let's not forget, itoto na talaga nito. Go, go, go! Miss Rupa May Quinto!
Todo na to, easy. Go, go, go.
Hindi baka malito kayo sa amin
Sa
dalawa.
SMX.
Hi, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
So guys, let's have a seat. Kwentuhan muna tayo. So, how are you guys? How's everybody doing?
Okay na po.
Chef Boy, naku, kamusta?
Mabuti naman po. Naging
Yeah.
guwapo lalo.
Ayan, mana lang ako sa inyo, Chef.
Teka lang, stars na kung pag-misufats, pareho pa ba kayo naka-yelo?
Oo nga.
Buti na lang
Good morning.
naka-strapless siya. Baka
Oo,
baka
good
palit
morning.
silang lahat kung sino sila sa aming dalawa. Diba? I-translate na lang kasi oo nga siya.
Hey, how are you? May one na change mic. Ayan. This is
Oh.
Oh, diba? Oh, kaya. Thank you so much for your generosity.
So, ano na nga. Alam mo, let's start the kwentuhan. Okay. Are you ready, Boram?
tayong lahat.
Are you ready, Boram?
Absolutely.
Okay. Here are some of the questions that we have for you. This is very, very easy. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay. So, here's the question.
Multiplication.
Patay tayo dyan pag math. But anyways, now, the question is, if Easy Brand were a person, how would you describe its personality in 3 words? Again, if Easy Brand were a person, how would you describe its personality in 3 words?
Okay, starting with me.
Sure, why not?
I think starting first, it would be fun. I think it's a very fun brand. A lot of interesting colors, interesting flavors that all come out from Easy. The second one would be quality, I think. High quality products. Products are very consistent. So the third one would be consistency as well. I think very, very consistent products for Easy Brand.
There you go.
Okay na.
Fun, high quality, and
Consistent.
consistency.
Consistent. Chef, ma'am, how about you? O, diba, ginanong kita agad. Ganun talaga. Bakit naghihirap? Hindi ko rin alam. Ang hirap kasi
Ang sinagot na niya lahat.
Oo, gaya
Yung pa namin, malakas. Malakas.
It's a very energetic na brand because it brings very different people together. And even sa family, when it brings the family together on the table, then I think it's very resourceful. It helps a lot of business people achieve their goals by providing very innovative products. I think the last one is it's very loving to its customers because it keeps on churning out products that are product close to the heart of Filipinos, even from the flavors of the product itself.
fun, loving, ano na yung isa?
Hindi ko na maalala.
Basta meron
Energetic.
Energetic, with the different colors.
Yes, diba?
Chef Boy, ikaw naman.
Well, sa akin naman,
Talaga si Chef Boy.
Nakasang energy. Yung
sa
aura.
sa akin naman, ito po ay isang simbolo. The symbol of the life of the Filipino to love to eat our food na hindi na kailangan pahirapan pa. Symbol of life, symbol of
Symbol of
vision. Yes.
Meron din revision.
That's right, oo. Tama. Tuloy mo na.
Can express.
Yes, opo. And then ito naman, ang pangalawa, ito kung tao siya, ang pagkain, easy pro is, sinabi mo kung tao siya.
Yes po.
Ang aking may ambag ay, ang dream ni Sir Lawrence Wang na bibigyan tugon yung nangangarap, lalo sa kabataan, as of this moment, yung mga Gen Z ba, tawag noon? Yan, nangangarap na magkaroon ng business. Kaya nga, habang bata pa, think about easy. Napakadaling mag-business kasi nandyan na lahat.
Very easy. and
Very easy.
Yes.
And syempre, last,
Si May.
syempre, Peachy. Oo. 3 words, Peachy.
Ako, para hindi na mahirap, gagawin ko na lang ABC.
Okay.
A for adorable. Yes. Yes, love it.
E is for?
Bravo! They're beautiful. Bravo na beautiful pa kasi mabuting tao po ang mga taga-AC. Kaya maganda sila in and outside. Okay, and the beauty is inside. And, ano ba yun? The
Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
So letter B. And then letter C is for the community. Kasi para po sa ating lahat to, anumang edad, basta masipag kayo. Siyempre, lahat naman ng negosyo kailangan nyo din trabahuin. Pero ang maganda dito, dahil nga may community po ang AC, sama-sama po ang lahat, kahit sino pa kayo. So, mabuhay.
And I thank
Go,
you.
Happy Pride!
Yes, happy Pride Month. Okay, next question.
Gusto ko yung ABC.
So, marami ako
Oo, hindi
natutunan
kasi
sa
anak ko
ABC.
kasi fan na fan talaga siya ng boba.
Okay.
Tapos ako naman sa coffee, tapos sa food din. Mula noon, talagang nakampante na kami sa Philippines.
Okay.
Mula na kaisip kami.
Ah,
Kasi
okay.
lahat ng food nandun eh.
Yes.
Sure na ito may healthy siya. That's why it's bravo and beautiful.
Ay, thank you so much.
Galing.
You translate everything. Okay.
See you guys.
Okay, our next question. Di ba? Parang Miss Universe lang yung ano natin, di ba? Candidate number 1. What's one lesson the industry has taught you about resilience during the difficult times? Ano daw yung lesson sa
I think the
industry?
lesson is we will all survive naman in the end, so there's really nothing to worry about. So even if we go through difficulties, di ba? Yung negosyo
Yes.
siya nung pandemic, napakahirap, but we're still here.
Yes.
So, yun. I
Kasi
think,
masisipag tayong lahat
Yes.
at gumagawa ng paraan. So we're very hardworking and then looking forward to other, options.
Very fast.
Fast
Kasi pag may resilience,
Oo.
we recover fast.
Yes, Chef Boy.
Chef Boy.
Well, alam niyo po, sa Pilipinas, bihira na magkaroon ng ganito. Yung bang nilalapit sa tao, nilalapit sa mga lalo sa mga chef. For me, yung feedback from the other chefs, restaurant, hotel, napakaganda po talaga ng ginawa ng isip ko, I would say. Kasi nga po, ito na yun, hindi na sila hirapan ma-consistency. Ilagay mo lang yung ating produkto. Pag kinain, mapapawaw. Kaya nga, because of the isip ko. Kaya katunayan nga, kumain ako sa isang lugar at sabi ko, ang sarap ng inihaw nyo. Bit-bit na bit-bit niya yung soy garlic. Dahil po dito, chef, ito yung ginagamit ko, kaya napakasarap. Kaya I'm really proud na to be part of Easy Pro bilang brand ambassador. I would say na dapat lahat tayo ay mangarap ka magkaroon ng easy sa buhay mo. Ito na yung kasagutan.
And how about Nora? What lesson the industry has taught you about resilience during difficult times?
I think it's always important to look back into what really is your passion and what really brings you up every single day to work, and really go back to basics and go back to what you're really passionate about.
May inspiration siya.
Ikaw.
Amazing. She has passion and inspiration to wake up early.
So ikaw ba
To
yun?
wake up every day, every morning.
Yes.
Are you inspired?
Go, go, go!
How about si Michi, siyempre?
Ako naman, I believe that all the Filipinos are di lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa. Di ba? Di ba?
Yes.
Congratulations to the Philippines. Go, go, go. Nanalo si Alex.
Yes, oo.
Tennis.
Kanina, yeah.
Tennis.
Tennis.
Yeah, we won. So, ganyan naman po ang Pilipino, mag-resilient, mabilis, at saka magaling. Kasi ewan ko, basta masayahin tayo eh. No?
Yes.
Sabi nga niya kanina, he likes it here kasi the Filipinos so hospitable. Tama ba? Right? Hospitable.
Marami ng hospital
Or
talaga.
hospitability.
Marami ng hospital talaga dito.
Yeah, so talagang yun po ang masasabi ko sa AC. Makakabangon tayo basta jumoy na kayo sa SMX right now.
Very, very true.
Sa lahat talaga na napagdaanan natin mga Pilipino, talagang tumatayo talaga tayo, naninindigan. At saka syempre, masisipag. At sinabi nga ni Sir
Very,
Born,
very true.
passion at inspirasyon talaga.
Hindi talaga mawawala yan eh.
Yes.
If we do something, we need that. Sabi nga nila 99% na perspiration, 1% inspiration. Oh, it's the other way around.
It's the other way around.
Oh, it's the other way around.
Perspiration.
So, my next question. Guys, if you were stranded on an island and you could bring only 3 Easy Brand products, ano yung mga dadalhin nyo? What will you bring to the island? I'll start with Chef Boy.
Well, personally talaga, wherever I go in sa aking farm, bit-bit ko yung soy garlic. Kasi ano siya in general pwede sauce, pwede pangkisa, lahat-lahat. Kaya I choose talaga is the soy garlic.
And what's the other 2, Chef Boy?
Yun naman iba, yung katulad ng barbecue. Kasi easy to magdala ka lang ng kahoy. Then yung barbecue mo mo lang. Ang sarap-sarap talaga na niluluto. Then lastly, siyempre naman tayo Pilipino mahilig sa medyo sweet and sour. So ang ganda talaga ng sweet sour sauce ng ating Easy Bro. Dahil yung kanyang textures ba, yung parang nag-gel, pag nilagay, pag tinutoast mo na sa pagkain, in a fried, in a grill, o hindi mo i-apply. So I choose three kinds of sauces ng Easy Bro.
Mga sauces. Kasi madali naman talaga siyang iluto.
Madaling ihalo.
Yes, madaling ihalo.
How about si Boram?
Good question. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do in the island without coffee, but I would love to take ube sauce. I think ube is one of my favorite products from Easy.
Kaya ube in Korea.
There's no ube.
In Brazil.
In Brazil, no ube.
Oh, so it's your first time in the Philippines to
Yeah,
taste?
yes. So I think it's very unique. It kind of reminds me of carbs as well, which is good, I guess. And then I'll be taking yuzu syrup. It's one of my favorite syrups as well from the lineup. And the last one, for some sweetness, it will be the caramel. Yes.
Ubi, yuzu, and caramel.
Ang
Yun
ganda
lang
ng
yung
mix. Ang ganda ng mix ng tatlong yun.
Kape talaga yung gusto niya. He wants coffee in the island.
Oh yeah.
Ako, I'll bring a chef log muna. Mas easy at saka si Boran. Diba? Kasi I have a barista and a chef.
And a
Kasi
chef.
international chef, yung chef Ray in Europe.
Why not bring also
Thank you,
Chef
Roma.
Pam?
King and Queen.
And Chef Pam also bring Chef Pam because for pastries desserts.
Yes.
So you have
Kompleto
a
na.
complete set
That's
already
how
in the
we
island.
Ang ganda ng mix eh, may kape.
May kape.
May pastry.
May pastry. Tapos may ulam.
Oo, diba?
Sakto. So, diba?
Thank you, Miss Rofami.
Ako, ano na lang,
Take me
caterer.
home.
Ako na lang caterer, nag-ugas ng plato nila. You know, dishwashing after you make a mess. After the plates, yes, I wash the dishes.
Last Chef Pam.
I take the ube because ube you can add it to your drinks, but you can also make other desserts like panna cotta and cakes with the ube syrup, right? And then I have to agree with Chef Boy, the soy garlic is really one of the best. Kahit ilagay mo lang siya sa fish, no? Or yeah, sarap. I'll take for me. Kasi in the island, you need happiness, and she's like the embodiment of happiness.
I will say fish tayo. Kaya naman yan, totoo, may kanta akong fish tayo. With Jamie Rivera, Star Music.
Correct.
Ang ganda ng mga ano ng mga choices eh. No?
Oh, aside the choices nila. Parang saan pag-party sa island kasama sila.
Oo, ano rin para healthy, you know? Sometimes you need fish.
Yes.
So ano dapat? Fish tayo.
Fish tayo. Kasi nasa island nga lang naman, di ba?
Correct.
So fish lang talaga yung papwede doon. Okay. Next question. If modern bayanihan is the key to overcoming today's challenges, hindi ko rin alam, binabasa ko lang po eh. Sino ba yung gumawa ng script?
Si Madam
Panis na ba? Nahihirapan po sila. So we move on to the another question. Move on to the other question. Kasi nagreklamo, even Bora, right?
Culture.
Yes.
Ang galing ni Chef Boy, siyang nakakaalam lang nung, ano yun, anong Tagalog?
Next question na lang daw. Next question.
Next question, please.
Next question na daw. Hirap na to.
O sige, ito mas madali.
Okay, mas madali.
Mas madali yung next
Okay,
question.
go.
Okay. Peachy. Uunahin ko na sa'yo to ha. If Easy Brand Fair 2026 has or had a movie title, what would it be and why?
Easy sign.
Ang galing
Kasi
talaga,
kailangan
grabe.
mag-sign up muna para
Makasali.
makasali kayo sa easy, makapag-negosyo. Yes, pwede rin go-go negosyo. No?
Pwede rin.
Pero mas maganda yung easy sign. Kasi
Easy
para
sign.
mag-sign ka lahat.
Okay,
You know, the
sige.
contract. Or marriage contract. Charot. Marriage contract. Then, you know, the tie-up.
Yes.
Or partnership for the easy. If you want a business.
Yes, okay. And how about you, Cora?
I would say maybe the title should be completely easy because Easy is such a complete brand and has so many different products. It applies for everything in food and beverage business, so that would be
Easy.
completely easy.
Completely.
You completely.
Maganda yung may twist of love story.
Oo.
Pwede,
Ano
pwede.
ba yung sa'yo, horror?
Ano, easy sign?
Kaya sa island.
Ay, oo nga pala sa island. Oo. Sorry naman.
Agnes.
Gusto ko yun na doktor na
Concept, no?
Oh, maganda na ko ba kaya siguro next year baka magkakaroon tayo ng easy movie na talaga. Sina starring these four artists na to.
Film Fest.
Oo, di ba? Ipasok sa
Sa
film.
Korean novela.
Correct. Okay. How about to Chef Bang?
Easy lang ang buhay.
Ay,
Kasi sa easy products, it becomes easy to have a happy life.
That's good. Chef Boy, ikaw.
Well, sa akin naman, kumbaga sana kung pelikula yan, easy to dream. Yeah, easy dream, easy. Kasi po, whatever you do, halimbawa, tulad ng mga young entrepreneur sa Pilipinas, mga kabataan, gusto mag-business, ito na ang kasagutan. Think, dream bigger for Easy Bro. Dahil kung may easy ka na, nabitbit mo, wherever you are part of the world, or Pilipinas man, may business ka na. Learning, andyan, lahat ng training, nandyan. So, ano bang hanapin mo? Just fry a simple dish, then easy to dream na ang galing mo palang magluto. You can be a chef boy in the future.
yes. Ang gaganda ng mga tayo. Gusto kailangan magkaroon tayo ng
Kaya nga ako
producer.
nagiging chef girl.
Okay, next we have actually a personal
Yeah, individual question.
Individual question. So, ikaw na bahala sa kanya.
Sige, I'll start with Sir Boram. As a world champion and global coffee professional, what inspired you to partner with a proudly Filipino brand like Easy Signature? And what potential do you see local brands from the Philippines and in the international stage?
Yeah, of course. I think Easy, when we first saw the products and we tested the products, we were very impressed with the quality and the consistency of the product, especially because when we were working with coffee, we were really looking for a lot of flavor precision. And a lot of the products from Easy really bring out that precise flavor into the drinks, into the beverages. And I think it's very important, especially because the Filipino coffee community and the coffee industry here is growing so much. So we want to showcase really good consistency and good quality for products.
Okay, that's a good answer, no?
That's a good answer.
Kasi talaga, nakikita naman natin talaga, there's
Nakalag ko na lang natin sa
Oo nga eh.
Pero kasi talaga there's much potential talaga in the
Yes.
coffee industry, in the coffee community here in the Philippines. And it's good to know na napapansin na tayo in the world
Yes, it's
stage.
growing actually, di ba? Especially that some of the Filipinos are participating internationally
Yes.
for barista competition. So they really evolve thinking about, di ba, yung mga flavors. Especially the flavors here in the
And
Philippines.
actually, ube, like yung gusto nga ni Boram, talagang anywhere in the world, parang tumataas ang demand.
Oo, kahit
Yes.
sa US, talagang craze sa ube.
Praise ang ube.
Kung dito matcha ang pinababaliwan sa ibang bansa, lahat sila ube.
Ube.
Ube be!
Yes, ube.
Cake lahat.
Diba?
Okay, thank you so sige pa, hindi po, meron pa pong isa. Pang-ano ka ma'am, panghuli ka po sa person, sa question, okay? Thank you so much for that wonderful answer. Okay, Chef Boy, ito naman po ang question namin sa inyo. Bilang isa sa mga pinaka-respetadong chef sa bansa at isang Easy Pro Ambassador, ano po ang inyong mensahe sa susunod na henerasyon ng mga chef at food entrepreneurs tungkol sa kahalagahan ng modern bayanihan at pagtutulungan upang umangat ang buong industriya?
Well, unang-una, thank you for that question. Talagang, unang-una, no, sa higit sa kalaman ng lahat ng mga Pilipino na nandito ngayon, ako po ay, ang dream ko talaga na matulungan natin ang mga young generation. Sila na po yun eh. Dahil sa kanila, magkakaroon sila ng parang responsibilidad na itong kahalagahan na ginawa ng atin ng Easy Pro. Binigyan ng halaga ng Easy Pro na bigyan tugon kung paano. Kaya nga ako ay nagtanim na ako ng OB for about 50 hectares sa Davao. Kasi we ran out of OB. So later on, bibigyan ko Sir Lawrence yung powder and then yun na yung nagsimula. Kailangan magtanim. Pangalawa, may rami na kung kailangan sa ibang bansa. Run out of OB in the Philippines. So it is a good opportunity to us as Filipino. Sa akin, sa mga bayanihan, yung kultura natin, parang hindi na mapansin yung mga kahalagahan ng ginagawa natin. Pero pag ito na ngayon, itong event na ito, as Easy Fair, dito magsimula ang inyong bukas. Bakit magsimula ang bukas? Kung mag-isip ka ng business, if you are planning to put up your business, think about Easy. Easy Pro is all-in-one. Andiyan na lahat eh. Buong konsepto, juices, milk tea, ice cream, ano pa, if you are planning to put up your business, think about Easy. Wala ka nang iisipin pa. Dahil po, ang ating henerasyon, ang tinatawag na, we have to follow or we have to adopt the technology, yung bagong teknolohiya ng Pilipinas. Hindi po pwede yung ang tsaa ay sinasaw-saw pa rin. Not like in our Easy Pro, we have the brewed coffee in 1 gallon or 1 liter. Then, iinitin mo lang, you have the brewed coffee. You have milk tea, we have the powder, we have the juices, etc. etc. Kaya nga po, para sa akin, sa mga kabataan, sa ating bayanihan, kultura natin, mahalin natin ang sariling atin, gawang Pinoy, dahil po sa ginawa ng Easy Pro, lahat ng tugunan, kung magplano ka ng business, why not? Nandito, we are here to help you. We are open our hands na tulungan kayong lahat. Kaya nga po, sa mga nagpaplano, this is the right time to think about if you are planning to do business. Kasi ako naman, galing sa wala. Then I start my restaurant right now in farm. May restaurant na ako using Easy Pro. Then later on, if you want to go there, Rofa, or in Davao, inviting ko kayo for free. Kaya nga po, ginagawa ko yung para po sa Easy Pro. Alam ni Sir Lawrence yan, kaya nga po, maraming salamat kay Sir Lawrence to give the opportunity to be like a father, like my brother. So ito na po yung pagkakataon ng mga Pilipino. Dream bigger, huwag nang huminto dahil ito na po yung Easy Pro, Easy Brand na kagabay ninyo, kapartner sa pag-growth ng ating buhay. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Chef
Grabe
Ro.
sa ni Chef ko eh.
Ang haba, di ba?
Pero baka pwede nyo rin kami isama sa Davao, Chef.
Pwede po.
Ayun, maganda.
Schedule na natin yan.
Yes, leave na tayo.
Okay.
Samantala, ito, kay Bichi Rufame, ang question ko naman sa'yo ay ito. As a celebrity and endorser, ang daming Pilipino ngayon ang gustong magsimula ng kanilang mga negosyo. Ano naman ang masasabi mo sa mga natatakot magsimula dahil sa mga challenges ng panahon ngayon?
Ako rin po ay natatakot talaga. Pero mula nung napunta po ako sa Easy, talagang na-realize. Kasi ang word ng business parang nakaka-nervous eh. Parang paano kung sisimula? Diba? Hindi lang naman basta puhunan. So ngayon, ang nangyari sa akin, naging easy. Kasi kaya pala easy, wala ka nang iisipin pa. O, diba? Kaya kain lang tayo ng drinks na ube, flavored syrup, powder base, mga sauces, may talagang saucy. Diba? So, yun lang po. Pagka nag-Easy Pro kayo, hindi po nyo mapipil din nagtinegosyo dahil po professional po lahat ng kausap. Meron po silang school, pero tuturuan kayo sa lahat. At ang daling kausap, lahat meron sila. Kaya po ako, sumaya talaga nung nakabalik ng trip. I'm from the US also. But when I came back last year, talagang AC po ang nakasama ko, kaya naging AC ang buhay namin mag-ina. So, there, talagang I'm so proud and honored, like honor student, to be with EC. Kasi nga, wala na tayong iisipin pa. Kaya, as I've said, let's sign up. Sign up. Oh, it's a sign.
It's a sign to sign up.
Yes, it's a sign, and then you put your signature. So, EC.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the wonderful
Talaga
answer.
po na wala na kayo iisipin pa. Kaya go, EC.
Gusto ko yung wala nang iisip.
Kasi alam mo kung habang nag-iisip tayo, it means hindi natin alam. Kaya pumunta na lang tayo sa isip baka mas easy. Kaysa mag-iisip.
Correct.
The pure positive.
Yes.
Instead of thinking, it's easy to think. Ikaw nga yun, siya.
Chef, pakitranslate nga.
Pag-translate for Ibora.
Kanina magkakaibigan pa kami.
Alam mo yun nga, it's as easy as saying the embodiment of madali ang buhay is easy. Diba? Galing lang.
Okay, for the last question, for Chef Bang, okay. As one of the most respected and competitive bakers in the industry, how do you balance the pursuit of personal excellence with the responsibility of helping others grow?
I think part kasi of the definition of success is also to affect the lives of others. Because if it's just you, and if it's just you, then it's not really gonna make the world a better place, right? So I think it's really all about leaving a legacy that will inspire other people as well. And I think the reason why we partnered up with Easy is because you have this group of bakers and cake artists who are at par with the international and world-class artists. So you need to be able to support them as well with products that can help propel their careers also in the international stage. So that's the reason.
Thank you. Kasi kanina, diba, pagpasok niyo kanina, ang gaganda ng mga naka-display na cake sa
Cakes
labas.
in front, yes.
Which is actually a part na talaga for international competition.
Actually, kaya na lumaban kay Kate Boss.
Oo,
Ako
di
na
ba?
magti-training sa inyo.
Yes, ikaw for cakes?
Ako na magti-training sa
Ayan na, si Miss Rofa na wala na maglalagay pa ng mga sparkle dyan.
Ayan na.
Oo,
Ayan na.
Yes. Okay, now, we move on.
Ay, naku,
Coffee
sorry.
jelly. Oo, coffee jelly. Ayan. Okay. Napapanood niyo ba yung ikaw, Miss Michelle, alam ko, familiar ka talaga dito yung fast talk.
Oo.
Ayan.
Sandali lang, dagdag ko na lang ha.
Po.
Kasi natikman ko talaga yung... Siyempre, nag-iingat na po tayo sa mga kinakain natin.
Yes.
Ayoko na po nervyusin, ayoko na... Ano yun na, di ba? Sa dami nangyayari. So, I always eat clean. I try to eat clean. Like, I don't eat pork and all. But I'm just saying that with this easy, when I tried it, when I tasted it, yun po talaga yung unang-unang pumasok sa isip ko na susuportahan ko po. Kasi, easy brand. Kasi, nasasahan ko,
Yes.
hindi ako nahilo. Kasi may minsan nauubo. Alam mo yun, pag
Okay.
nilalagay sa yung ingredients niya,
Oo.
healthy and safe for me.
Yes.
Taste ko.
Oo.
Walang palpitation.
Kaya mamaya, lahat actually matitikman kapag iikot yung mga bisita natin,
Yes.
they're going to taste all the easy products natin.
And that's something that we have to look forward to. And now,
For the fast
baka tayo
talk.
sa next part
Yes,
natin.
oo, di ba?
Explain na natin kay Bora.
Ha?
Explain natin kay Bora.
Ano na mag-explain?
Hindi. Well, basically, we have a segment here. It's a popular segment from a TV show. It's called Fast Talk. And then we're just gonna ask a question, and then you're gonna pick from the two choices that we're gonna be giving out. Okay? Just gonna pick one. Like for example, happiness or sadness.
Choose, guys. Sabay-sabay na sila. Yes. Sabay-sabay na sila to answer.
Oo, sige. Or coffee.
Oo.
Yeah, something like
So
that.
you will just answer, all of you, okay?
Okay, here we go.
Ready your mic.
Ready your microphones.
Yes.
Sige.
Yes.
Mauna na ako. Let's
Mauna.
start with our first fast talk round, starting with coffee or tea? Coffee.
Oh, syempre.
Unanimous.
Diba? Yes. Next, sweet or savory?
Oh, ba si Boram?
Hindi ko kasi alam ano yung shape. Kaya,
Okay, next. Guys, ube or chocolate?
Ome.
Okay. Classic or trendy?
classic.
Classic. That's it.
Okay, next one. Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Early bird.
Half sila.
Next.
Next.
St. Pedro, Max.
Perfection or speed? Perfection or speed?
Speed.
Speed.
Perfection.
Okay, next one. Innovation or tradition?
Innovation.
Ay, dito. Excited ako.
Kinakopya ko na lang.
Excited ako. Sing or dance?
Sing.
Dance.
Chef Boy, dance ka. Hindi. Si Chef Boy, he dance when he cook.
Yeah.
Yes. Like this. We'll
Okay.
do that later.
Grabe, no? Parang lahat sila singer, si Chef Boy lang ang sasayaw. So may dancer na kayo.
Oh, man.
Okay, here we go. Next question. Guys, beach or mountains?
Mountain. I don't know. Can I go up?
Beach na lang.
Okay. So this is the last question.
Para sure.
Last question. Lights on or lights off?
Wow. Both.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Lights
Which
on.
lights on?
How can I see?
Lights on!
See?
Chef Boy,
The lightness.
Lights on.
Very, very
thank you. Chef Boy.
Lights on.
Lights on. Ay, boga, lights on.
Lights on. Siyempre,
Lights on.
pag magluluto, pag magpe-prepare ka, lights on
Talaga,
talaga.
lights on talaga.
Lights on.
See?
Ayun naman, no? Masyado kayo eh.
When it says to eat,
Okay, last
May
question.
magandang question tayo dyan, partner.
Ano po?
May
Meron
magandang
pa isa?
question. Yeah, oo.
Yes, okay. Go na.
Okay. Guys, if you weren't in the food industry, what would you be doing today?
I'll be a teacher.
Teacher. Chef Boy.
Maybe I'm a farmer.
Farmer. Boram.
I'm not sure actually.
ako I'll be their lawyer. Lawyer, grabe! Okay.
Gusto ko yun. I will be their lawyer. I'll sue them.
Kaya nga, diba? Protect easy. Security. And check all the paperwork.
Okay. So, you know what? Nakakatuwa itong kwentuhan natin. Pero mukhang nadako na tayo sa moment, partner.
Yes.
We'll open the floor.
To our media partners.
So, bababa muna ako.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Go ahead.
Mag-ingat ka.
Yes.
Ikaw na bababa.
Siya lang ang bababa. Okay.
Hindi na niya inantay.
So we have our media partners po no, for some questions to our guests. Ayan. How are you guys?
Very good.
Very good. Thank you for coming.
Excited to taste your coffee.
Later, yes.
Like,
We're going to have a demonstration later. Especially you, Miss Peachy. We're also looking forward for your demo later.
thank you, mamaya
Partner.
mo demo live.
Yes.
Akala ko wala silang microphone sa baba. May microphone pa na sila.
Meron naman pala sila. Asan po ba sila?
Ayan.
Okay.
Oo. So, eto na, simulan na natin. Ito yung mga questions natin from our friends from the media. Let's start with our friends from Lionheart TV. Nasaan po yung taga Lionheart?
Hi, hello. Good afternoon, dear ambassador and ambassadors. I'm Linus from Lionheart TV. My question is, the theme of Easy Brand Fair 2026 is watered bayanihan. In today's Philippines, what does bayanihan mean to you? And how do you see it reflected in the food and beverage industry? I repeat. The theme of Easy Brand Fair 2026 is watered bayanihan. In today's Philippines, what does bayanihan mean to you? And how do you see it reflected in the food and beverage industry? Thank you.
So, ang sabi...
Don't worry, I'll Google it. What is kabayanihan? Hindi sabi niya kultura, ako ay
What does
bayani
bayanihan
zero.
mean?
So I think heroic for him culture. So what's bayanihan? Bayanihan helping, togetherness. Kaya kayo may Google na para they won't...
How do you see it reflected in the food and beverage industry?
Industry.
Kabayanihan.
overall, in general in the country, you see it na regardless of the opinions, varying opinions, we still help each other succeed, right? So I think in the food and beverage industry, so I see a lot of bakers here like Chef Rudy and other people here. Even though we're in the same industry competing probably for the same market, we still help each other. Because I think that's the only reason to really uplift the industry, is that all of you will help each other.
Helping each other.
Yes. So kasi lalo especially ang laki kasi rin talaga ng baking industry dito sa Pilipinas.
And it's a good thing about Bayanihan is that some of the smaller yung mga nagsisimula pa lang ay nabibigyan ng moment at nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga nandun na to grow as well.
Yes, lalo na sila na talagang ang tagal ng experience nila sa industry that they're sharing their recipes. Once they share their recipes, when yung nagtanong yung estudyante sa kanila, they really answered it talaga.
Nakakatuwa hindi nagdadamot eh.
Yes, oo, di ba? Kasi they want to grow eh. Hindi lang sila dapat yung mga ibang tao din. Tutulungan nilang mag-grow.
That's very good.
Ito na, sabi nga ng bayanihan.
Okay, proof of it.
Tradition is a Filipino custom referring to the spirit of communal unity or working together toward a common goal. Go.
Go.
Okay. Okay, next from our video from TV5.
Where's our friends from TV5?
Hi, good afternoon. Yung question ko para kay Chef Boy. Maayong hapon, Chef Boy. Bilang negosyante, bilang chef, and bilang restaurateur, in times na merong mga economic uncertainties, sa tingin nyo, paano nakakatulong yung suporta ng community para masustain at mas mapalago pa yung ating mga local business?
Well, unang-una, thank you for your questions. Unang-una, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, na kaya mo. Huwag kang mahiya, huwag kang matakot. Kasi po tayo mga Pilipino, katulad ng halimbawa, pag simula ka ng business mo, wala dapat naisipin na parang ayaw ko. If you focus your dream, focus mo talaga ang gusto mo, magagawa mo. At walang alinlangan na baka bumagsak ka. No, kailangan straightforward. Kasi ang business, katulad ko, businessman, kapag sinabi ng kaya mo yan, ginag-grab ko po talaga yan. Yung tiwala ng kapwa, tiwala ng ating easy brand, tiwala ng ating produkto, maniwala ka dahil wala na pong iba, yan para po sa ating lahat. Kaya po huwag kang mag-alinlangan.
Salamat kaayo, Chef.
Salamat po.
Alam mo, totoo yung sabi ni Chef eh. Kumbaga doon pa lang sa sinabi niya, nobody will believe in the business but you. Kailangan ikaw talaga unang-unang maniniwala sa business.
Correct. Diba? Kaya ka nag-isip doon na-conceptualize ka. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung maglalago ng business. Siyempre, tutulungan ka rin ng mga tao na sa
Saka
Pilipinas.
paano sila maniniwala sa business mo kung ikaw mismo, hindi ka nagtitiwala?
Correct.
That's a good answer. Galing ah. Now, we have our friends from the Philippine Daily Inquirer. Nasaan po yung mga friends? Yes,
Good
hi.
afternoon. I'm Anne from Inquirer.com. My question is for Bora. Welcome back to the Philippines. What piece of advice would you give to baristas who want to start their own business?
Yeah, I think it's very important to understand the essence of coffee business. And I think there's 2 points that are very important when you're opening a coffee shop business. One is that you're not opening a coffee sale business, you're opening a hospitality business. So you're focused on service. Coffee quality, yes, and quality of beverage is obviously important, but you have to understand that you're in the business of serving customers. And the second thing is that coffee shop businesses are very much reliant on volume. You have to sell a lot of cups for your business to be successful. And I think that's where many baristas fail today. They want to open cafes just to serve their small neighborhood, or they don't really think about the proper location to serve a lot of customers. And I think that's where most coffee shops fail today in the business.
Many customers you think.
I think ideally you should be aiming to at least 150 to 200 customers.
Yes. Kaya natin sa mga barangay. Marami tayong mga kapitbahay.
Ang galing no. I love the idea of dreaming big, going bigger, don't settle for less. Galing.
Okay, next from our friends from Malaya Business Insight.
Hi, good easy afternoon to everybody. My questions is for everyone po ito, no? Easy Brand Fair celebrate modern bayanihan. The idea that when we support one another, we are grow together. What is your vision for a stronger, more connected, and globally competitive Filipino food industry?
Paki-repeat yung question na.
Mahina yata yung
Okay, my question is, what is your vision for a stronger, more connected, and globally competitive Filipino food industry?
Well, unang-una, for me, ang vision talaga ay, that's why we have the Easy Pro quality, meaning the consistency that we can compete in other countries or all over the world. We're talking about the sauces. The sauces is really, you can compare internationally, no? Gravy or any, what we have in our Easy Pro brand ng ating produkto ay kaya-kaya nating i-compare or i-compete sa ibang bansa. I believe na ginagamit na rin sa ibang mga foreigners instead of other ingredients. They are using right now Easy Brand, like sausage, like milk tea, etc. Lahat all products from Easy Pro. Kaya nga po, kaya nating i-lift up, kaya nating ipagmalaki na we are Filipino, but ito na ang ating standard. We are really proud to say that we are Filipino, then ito na yung narating ng Easy Pro, ito na yung narating ng ating standard sa buong Pilipinas.
Proudly Filipino meat.
Yes.
How about si Chef,
My vision is really simple, which is I really want the world to see what the Filipino artist can contribute to the world, like in the food and especially kasi sa cake world kami.
Yes, so
And we always idolize people from other countries. But if you look at the cake artistry in the Philippines, it's really world class. So you have easy products that will, like the Easy Sparkle range that will help propel that sa international scene. So that's really the vision.
okay.
and how about si Peachy?
Ayun nga, no, pakainin lahat ng easy ang mga Filipinos para mag-work pa ng todo sa ibang bansa. Hindi kasi, di ba sa abroad, sa Amerika po, halos lahat doon mga nagtatrabaho sa hotel, masisipag po ang mga Filipino. Tapos ngayon meron na tayo sa Dubai o sa Middle East, na-approve na po tayo sa kilala na yung pagkain. So, siyempre, bilang mga Filipino, gusto ko i-share na makakain sila. Yun po yung maganda dito sa Easy. Bukod sa negosyo, business na siya, yung pakainin po ng mga tao, talagang makakatulong para mas maging healthy. I think health is wealth. Kaya pang-international talagang Easy. Kasi para lalo pa lahat maging todo na to, maging masipag at kumita.
Okay, tama
Eat
naman,
healthy,
di ba?
kumbaga. So, let's have a tea. Eat healthy, di ba? Let's have
Drink healthy, eat healthy, di ba?
And
matcha. May matcha ba?
Meron. Nandun yan sa likod yung matcha.
something that we could try later. So now, speaking of which, kasi si Borang is international community siya. So
Where's your house? Hindi kasi she's from Brazil It's her first time to meet. Kasi I'm always with the chef po. Anyway, so you're from Korea or
I
Brazil?
was born and raised in Brazil.
So you don't speak Korean?
I speak Korean as well, but my family's Korean.
So what do you speak in Brazil?
Portuguese.
Oh, very language. Trust him na. Trust him na with this.
So, sa side niya, no, ni Borang, kasi siya nga, he has restaurants, he has his, yung coffee shop niya abroad. What can you teach the Filipinos in making it competitive and globally, making it, the Filipino food community a global industry?
Yeah, I think it's quite important, some keywords like community. I think it's important that the community is gathered around the same goal. And I think it's important to focus on the key aspects and the good things that come out of it. So I think a great example is like, for example, uva sauce, which is something very local here that can really impact the global market. Or even Filipino coffee itself. Philippines is a beautiful coffee producing country, and focusing on what's good out of the production here and showcasing to the world is very good.
So coming from the perspective na nasa ibang bansa naman. So galing.
Masarap yung kape namin.
Oh, now we know. Diba?
Yes, okay ba?
Confirmed.
Yes, confirm. Check. Diba? Okay, so maraming thank you so much for that this wonderful discussion about your life, about the industry, and everything.
And
diba?
everything.
Yes,
Go,
and
go.
everything. Go, go, go! You know, go, go, go is a trademark, ano tawag doon?
It's a...
Basta yun. Basta yun. She's
my,
famous for the,
expression.
yes, famous expression for
Famous
go, go, go.
expression
She's a
to all my
famous
movies and to
artist here in the
everyone.
Philippines.
That's my message to all.
Yes.
After go, 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 todo na to kayo, easy.
Yeah! Okay! Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga yes, afternoon.
It is an amazing discussion. Sobrang galing.
Yes, oh, galing-galing, diba? Okay, so let's wrap up our Q&A portion. Thank you so much, Chef Mang, Chef Boy, Sir Borak, and Miss Rufame for this wonderful activity. Okay, so, friend.
Yeah.
Ayan, so dito na po tayo. Dito po tayo mag-i-exit.
Maraming salamat
Maraming
po.
salamat. Thank you po.
Again, pwede ba natin palakpakan lahat ng ating mga nakakwentuhan, nakapuntahan? Diba?
Kaya nga, diba?
Hobby ko pala.
Oo. Ayan. So, nako, dumadami na yung ating mga bisita partner.
Pag-isip ko lang, no? Blockbuster yung ibang mga booths natin. So we are so happy to see all of you. Enjoy lang kayo. Try out the different products. Mamaya ako mag-iikot din ako, partner.
Okay.